Hey guys, welcome back. The plugin we are looking today is Talent.org. I've installed this plugin and enabled this plugin too. So let's look at what this plugin can do. So let's assume you are a startup or a company, or you are someone trying to look for some technical service to build a product for you. You might have used Upwork or any of the other freelancing sites to find people to do your work. So Talent.org is something similar to that. So you can help people to do your work hassle-free. And this is how you could use that plugin. So let's see what this can do. So Talent.org is a tool designed to help you find and hire freelance talent, such as engineers, based on job and project description. So here is what you can do. You can define by job position. So you need to provide details about the job you are looking to fill. This can be front end, back end, mobile, full stack, program management, or anything. You can list what job you are looking for. Set the parameters, set the additional parameters for the job, such as region. Let's say you want to hire in Asia, North America, or Europe. You can specify that, and the minimum years of experience required. And once you define the job and set your parameters, you can say search talent function to find the potential talent candidates. This function will return the list of talent that match your criteria. You can review the profile returned by the search, will provide more information such as skills, experience, and work history. And if you find the talent interesting or a close match to what you are looking for, you could do a shortlist and perform interviews. Talent.org will handle the logistics, compliance, and global payments for the hire. So these are some prompts I have. So let me actually look at the first prompt. Since I've already enabled Talent.org, so let me run this. So I'm looking to hire a freelance engineer with expertise in Python, Django, React, and they should have at least 5 years of work experience, and my budget is around $90,000. And you can say your preference is from North America. So it's going to give you a potential list of matches which match your criteria. So here are the top 3 matches it gave. So whatever it gave here, if you want to know more about it, and the monthly rate what the person is charging is this, and the hourly rate is this. And similarly, there are more people who have listed themselves, right? So if you want to know more about them, you can go here. You can see all the work he has done, which country he is from, how many years of work experience, and all the other data you can actually see from here. So that's the good part about it. And similarly, yeah, so there is one more here who is also from Toronto. And if you want to get shortlisted here, you can also go ahead and do that. And that's basically what I wanted to show you here. And similarly, you can try the other skills. So if you need a backend developer from Asia, you can do that. Let me show you that here. So I need a backend engineer in Java, backend developer who is proficient in Java and has experience in Spring Boot. I'm looking for someone with at least 5 years of work experience. And yeah, this budget looks off, probably 85,000. Yeah, I don't know how much they're paid. So 85,000, and you prefer someone from Asia. So it is giving a list of names, and here's a developer here who has registered himself. And basically this is what he's quoting, $25 to $27 per hour. And these are his work experiences, right? So similarly, you should see more names popping up here. And we got the second one, who is from Beijing. He has 22 years of work experience. And yeah, he has listed his profile here, and he is quoting $33 to $36 per hour, or $5,000 to $6,300 per hour. And Wubin is also from Beijing, and this is what he would be charging here. So yeah. And if you want to get to the marketplace, you can also do that here. You can register yourself if you are looking for work, and probably I would do that in another video. And similarly, let's assume that you are looking for someone in data science with 7 years of work ex and budget is 120K, and if it is from Europe, you can also search that. So these are some prompts and this should be available to you. I hope this helps, and that's basically what I wanted to cover. And the payment part and other part, the platform would handle it, so you don't have to bother much about it. So there was nobody from this specific, so let me lower the criteria from 5 to, let's say, to 2 years. So I should find more people here. And you can also not specify the budget, so it would still work. When the criteria does not match, so you will get something like this. But when the criteria does match, it lists the 3 names we looked at. So it's not able to find people with the skill set in the geography. So that's all I wanted to cover. I hope this helps. Thank you for joining.